Now, this area has historically been a great settlement for the Te Rarawa people. Ngāti Haupure is the old tribe. There are scores of hapu around here. They had their own puna. They had their own sources of fresh water, and they were incredibly important. So when settlements were created, it was really important. Weheke means to separate things, that the freshwater of the Wai Māori didn't get poke poke. Poke in Māori means like to be like polluted. We are soon going up to Te Oneroa Tohe along the beach, and there are a variety of sources of fresh water coming out of the tangonge repo, the wetland, tangonge being the old Polynesian word from our mātuas when they came from Hawaii, for the rustling sound made by the taro leaf in the taro garden. Anō rā, te mara taro taki wairua, tangonge noa, tangonge noa.